Alright folks, welcome to the Lying Dead Bugs extravaganza. Imagine you are a bug, a very relaxed bug lying on its back with its legs and arms in the air. Now, for the next act, slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg, like a bug doing the limbo dance. Don't forget to keep that lower back glued to the floor. We are going for 30 reps, 3 sets. If you are a bug enthusiast, this one's for you. Bugs around the world are watching and cheering you on, guys. Let's spice up for those leg raises. Here's the deal. Lie flat on your back, slide your palms behind your glutes for some extra support. And now, instead of the usual straight up leg raises, we are going for the leg hug technique. Grab those legs and bring them towards your chest and while engaging those abs muscles. This way, you won't hurt your lower back and you will got a cozy leg hug workout. Aim for 30 reps and 3 sets. Your lower back will thank you for this creative twist. Now friends, wrapping it up with a classic bodyweight planks. Get into that plank position and hold it for a solid 30 to 40 seconds. We are doing this for 3 sets. Just like other exercises, that's a full body workout right there. Thanks for joining us today. See you in our next video and keep rocking those workouts.